Well, since I live such a rambunctious lifestyle, the door to the cable that you charge the GoPro with came off somehow by itself, don't ask me how, and I tried to get it back in there. I can normally snap on, snap off, but it didn't work. And I'm going like, what the hell? It's always worked before, blum, blum, blum. I can't get it on there. So I fiddle around, and I tried pushing this, and it didn't really work. But actually, if you press your tab there correctly and firmly, you can actually extend it back the way it's supposed to be when you open it manually, so to speak. So it should look like that, extended. And when it's extended in the proper position, then you can snap it back in as you normally do, just like that. See? Snap, close, no problem. So if it happens to, some way, if you're messing with it, and this happens to get pushed in, then you have to push the little button there in order to extend it so that you can snap it back into place again, like that. That's it. I hope someone else had that problem, and I hope that solved it.